Top 5 Online Learning Platforms. 1. Coursera. 2. Udemy. 3. Skillshare. 4. MasterClass. 5. edX. 1. Coursera. Coursera has partnered with over 300 leading universities and companies to create courses to supplement your education and set you ahead in your career. Coursera isn't just a place to take classes that are like college courses, it actually offers real academic courses from real professors and universities at a fraction of the cost of getting an online degree. The platform partners with over 300 universities and companies to provide real learning experiences that can connect to real-world benefits. In some cases, you can even earn certifications or degrees entirely through Coursera, which can then potentially lead to professional benefits like raises, promotions, and more. Even if you're not looking for professional development, Coursera offers challenging and interesting classes on plenty of topics, so you can explore all kinds of interests. The platform allows for multimedia courses, so professors can construct classes, upload videos, assign and grade quizzes and homework assignments, and other elements that would be present in a real online college class. Each course is individually priced, the cheapest start around $30 to $40 and increase from there, although there are some instances where you can purchase a bundle of courses at once, and sometimes at a discount, as a track or certification/degree program. You can also get unlimited access to over 7,000 courses with Coursera Plus for $399 a year. It's pretty much the closest you'll get to the online college experience without enrolling in college. 2. Udemy. Udemy has by far the most courses available compared to other online learning platforms, over 210,000 classes. With over 70,000 instructors, you'll find an expert teaching a course in every niche. If you want to learn something, you probably can on Udemy. The site is less of a unified platform and more of a portal or repository where students can access well over 213,000 courses on every topic imaginable. Language, arts, music, and fitness courses can be found alongside lessons on programming and IT, business skills, teaching, productivity, and much more. There are even categories for personal development and lifestyle, which cover life skills and other topics that you wouldn't necessarily get in an academic setting. There's not one standard format for a Udemy course. The platform allows instructors to design multimedia lectures with audio, video, and text elements, plus readings, quizzes, and other activities. Udemy allows students to preview classes they're interested in and does offer a 30-day refund if you're dissatisfied. Because each class is created and taught individually, they're also priced separately. Lifetime access to a single course can range from inexpensive, $15, to pricey, roughly $200 or more. 3. Skillshare. Skillshare is a subscription-based online learning platform that offers classes in 13 different creative topics, including creative writing, graphic design, and photography. While many online platforms basically provide college-style classes, Skillshare is less formal and aimed more at improving creative skills. There are business and marketing classes on the platform, but the majority are courses in creative fields, taught by practicing experts in those fields: photography, film, animation, visual arts, writing, interior design, and more. The focus is on teaching practical skills that students can then use to create their own projects. Most courses involve a series of video lessons, combined with assignments for students to practice their skills. Skillshare has a subscription model, rather than a per-course payment plan, so students who sign up can take as many or as few courses as they want while they're subscribed. The current pricing is $159 per year, which works out to around $14 per month. That being said, the platform does offer a set of free classes as well, from short, 20-minute videos to longer tutorials of an hour or more. They're not as in-depth, but they're a good way to try out potentially interesting topics. 4. MasterClass. MasterClass courses tap into celebrities' expertise and experience, like Gordon Ramsay's cooking talents and Anna Wintour's leadership skills, to provide in-depth courses on a wide variety of topics. Although MasterClass offers more than just creative courses, its marquee offerings put A-list actors, writers, artists, musicians, and more in the teacher's seat. And, these aren't just one-off lecture-style classes, most courses have around 20 lessons, so you get to really dive deep into your topic of choice. If you want to learn about these often opaque professions, there's no better way than to hear about it straight from the people who have been successful in them already. These courses are video-based, with practical advice and demonstrations mixed in with straightforward lectures, workbooks, and class discussions. You can get TV writing advice from Shonda Rhimes, learn to cook from Gordon Ramsay, take a film class from Martin Scorsese, or explore creative leadership with Anna Wintour. Since MasterClass is a subscription-based platform, you can take as many sessions as you want while your subscription is active. The price is about $15 per month for unlimited access, but you must commit to a year-long subscription. 5 edX. With partners like Harvard, MIT, and UC Berkeley, this online learning platform has over 15,000 instructors who teach education-oriented courses across several different categories. Plus it offers programs and degrees to advance your career from home. edX has a high-end pedigree. It was founded by Harvard and MIT, but an accessible system. Real college courses, created and taught by real college instructors, are available in a huge array of fields and topics. They do lean slightly towards STEM fields, but there are plenty of languages, humanities, and arts topics, too. In partnership with several universities, edX offers professional degree certificates, plus micro-degree programs at the bachelor's and master's levels, largely as a tool for professional development. Through a partnership with Arizona State University, edX also offers a global freshman academy where you can earn transferable undergrad credits for select courses. Classes are similar to real online courses. Lectures, reading material, assignments, discussions, and quizzes are just some of the elements you may encounter. The big selling point for edX is that the majority of its courses are free, but there's a catch. If you're just taking the class for your own learning experience, the free version will probably work. But if you want to have formal verification for professional reasons, the verified certificate option costs about $49 per class. Each course does have an official start date, cycling over and over again, but once the session begins, students can proceed at their own pace. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel learn.pk. To learn MS Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, video editing, cartoon videos and informational videos.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं सीखना एक्सेल, वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, वीडियो एडिटिंग, कार्टून बनाना, तो फ़ौरन learn.pk पे जाएं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो देखें।